Ay.
Welcome back to our channel. It's already night here and yeah, we're a little bit busy. Wow, what's with my broom? We're packing our Balikbayan box there, and then that's the things.
Where's the scissor?
And someone is busy.
Where's the scissor?
This one. We're packing the things, guys, for Balikbayan. Because we need to send this by end of December or January, and we have 2 boxes of that. Are the things I've got for my first box. First box pa lang to, guys. Ating Balikbayan. Help ko muna si Franz, guys, kasi babalutin namin yung mga plato ng bubble wrap, and then later kapag ilalagay namin sa box, we will show you later. Hindi nga alam saan niya nilalagay yung scissor. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching always our vlogs, even though hindi kami always nag-upload because yeah, we're busy people. And minsan, you know, like gusto mo na lang magpahinga kaysa mag-vlog. Pero ngayon kasi meron tayong content. I have a content to vlog sa our vlog. But yeah, Francis busy cutting all the bubble wrap kasi yun, guys, ni-wrap namin yung mga Nutella and yung mga babasagin. Do it here in the table. So babalutin namin yung plato, guys, para hindi mabasag. Let's do it. It's really messy here. Wait lang. So guys, I'll show you what's inside the Balikbayan. Should I show it though? I feel like I know the inside. So first, in this, my background. I have this Primark stuffs here. Primark stuffs, and ito hindi to Primark stuff. Napalano na namin to sa... Where did we get this? From Piryahan. Yeah, we have stuffed toys there. We have shoes. We have like, you know, Primark stuffs, and we have like sandals, a lot of sandals for my parents, like this, mga ganyan sandals. Yan, mga sandals. And this one inside a blue bag, mga shorts and t-shirt. Yan, mga shorts for my sister and for my mom. And meron silang panghugas ng plato. And some makeup bag. And we have also like a summer cup here. Yeah. And more panghugas ng plato, more stuffs like makeup bags. And we have here, I love Holland tissue. And move on to this part. Wait lang. To this part, we have Dove soap. Yan. Meron akong mga Dove soap dyan. Ilang pieces to? Basta yan. Soap. Chocolates. We have like truffles. Masarap to, guys. Promise. Sarap. And we have here. What's this, love? Like a chewy candy. And we have toothbrush. And more like muffin mix. We have this American muffins, Granny Road, and we have this Bailey Rocker Road brownie mix. Might get more of this, pero sa second box na, I think. And there we have cookies, These are all like Christmas cookies actually, but it's okay like that. It's Danish butter cookies. Shoes for my sister, and what's that? Philips, like a hair blower, and another sandal there. And we have here salt from Aldi, salt, and some ketchup from the brand Calve. Yeah, the expiration date. We have ketchup, and we have also curry. This is sarap, guys, for sausage and hot dogs. These ones. And we have those Nesquik for my brother. And then we have those chocolates, Twix, 2 boxes of those. And meron tayong Mars dito na mahaba. Yeah, Mars. Meron tayong spaghetti, mga macaronis, fusilli, and penny. Yan. And dito naman we have mga ganito, na mga shower gel. Yan. For my cousins there, no? And we got Nivea shower gel also. And dito naman, Dove shower gel, yung malalaki. Yan. And we have Palmolive shower gel. This is my family baho because we're sending I'm kidding. Because it was for sale, guys, so we bought a lot of this. And it's really, really mabango. And here I got also for my sister for cookies, chocolate chips. When she wants to bake cookies, she can put this. And we have here like how many pieces? Milka chocolates like this. It's a lot. We have Milka chocolates here. I have hazelnut and or best flavor of Milka, the hazelnut and the orange. That's Milka. And then we have here my sister and brother's favorite. What do you call this, love? Sour candy. We have here sour candy. We have here Toblerones. Expired kaya yung maliliit lang. Merong medyo matagal, and my husband got 2. Maybe in the next time we can put it in the other box na lang. And we have here one is malaking Toblerone. What's this? Dark chocolates with honey. We only got one kasi I don't know, it's sinong kakain doon. Hindi nila masyado type tong mga dark chocolates so we only got one. And we have here the original flavor, the honey and almond nugget. This is big, guys. We got, this is the big one. Oh no, this is the other version, the crunchy almonds. This one, there's blue one, and matataba. We got the 2 of this, the crunchy almonds, and the other ones are already the original. Yan, lagay natin dyan. And merong mahaba na maliliit, 4. Yan. Hati-hatian nila doon. Pamigay. Yan. We have all the Toblerones there. And we got more cocoa dusted truffle. This is so good, guys. This one is the big version of that chocolate. This one is XXL. So yeah, we got 4 of those. And I got my brother Dwayne these ones because I used to eat this, and this is really good. It's really sarap there. And we have here a pralines. How do you call this, lab? Pralines or pralines? It's chocolates, pralines. Pralines or praline? I don't know.
It's shaped in
seashells. Yeah, and I have 2 fife there. And we got some flavored Nescafe. I have hazelnut latte, caramel latte, and the other one is, I don't know, amaretto. The other one is amaretto latte. And I have the, what's that? It's a Dutch chocolate. Can you get it for me, love? This ones. Yeah, these are Dutch chocolates. Tony's Chocoloni. For my sister and brother, they can have it. And I have their it's like noodles. That one, noodles. I have 2 of those. And ano ba? I have those Chupa Chups. It's really big. Show them lang. That one like 60 pieces Chupa Chups. That one XXL. 60 pieces, like that.
Count it.
my husband counted, and it's 60 pieces. And we have their Oral-B toothpaste. Yeah, and we have their Heinz ketchup, big one, really big one. And more chocolates, Toblerone, small ones. And we have the Milky Way. This is good. This is my favorite. One of my favorite chocolates. Sarap. And we have more pralines. This one is good. No, because the expiration date is on. And this one, pralines. And Oreo double cream. That is Oreo double cream. Yeah, you have a lot of that. And this one is for my brother Jok. He likes this. This is a Dutch thing, hagelslag. They eat this for breakfast, right? And my brother Jok like this, so we've got him 2. And we have here like wasmiddel, we called it, like for washing for washing plates. That one. And Nutella. And some stuffs for my brother, clothes like long sleeves. That's for Jok. And we have here, guys, we already packed it with bubble wrap. We have Duo Pinotti, and this is the strawberry jam. This is really good strawberry jam. So that's why I'll send them this. Yes, it's sarap. I send them that. And coffee, I only got 1 coffee for now. Kasi medyo puno na yung first box natin, so we will get it for the next box. Are from Netherlands, and this one are from Germany, and this is big one also. So yeah, that is probably our first set for our Balikbayan box. Medyo makalat, and dito pala yung mga babasagin na isi-send din natin. We also wrap it with bubble wrap. And this is our box. We're sending it in LBM. This is extra large. I got 2 extra large, but for now, we are filling this up, the first box. So, let's do this, love. You put, guys, like plastic bags there. Yeah. You put the Nutella first?
Yeah.
I will just fast forward this. So guys, malapit na siya mapuno. And super dami pa namin kailangan ilagay. Yung nahihirapan na yung nagapak. Okay? Yeah?
Trying to find the spot.
Because it's by na full. It's malapit na talaga siya mapuno. This one on! Miss Dwayne will cry.
Like this?
Nah, that will,
Then how do you want it?
Nah, just that one is perfect.
Just put clothes.
Yeah. Guys, we're tired. But here it is. Ating first box. Nabalot na namin siya. And marami pa tayong natira, guys. That's the another box, guys. Yun. And we'll fill that up again. Kasi hindi pa naman ito mapupuno. And we'll see you on our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave some comment down below. You know? We'll see you on our next vlog. Keep safe, everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yun lang. Thank you. Bye. Uy, grabe. You're the only one drink mogu-mogu. It's drinking mogu-mogu. Oh, mogu-mogu too. Thank you. I'm so pretty. I like my blush.